Hi, I'm John. I'm the proprietor of Alice Inn, which is a boutique bed and breakfast in Pláka in central Athens, in the old town. This is meant to feel like a home away from home, like you're staying in a friend's house essentially. We're very centrally located, and that gives our guests really easy access to all the main sites. We have a big old kitchen where you can make your own breakfast, although we provide breakfast as well. There's only 4 rooms here, but each one is unique. And they have a roof terrace for the view of the Acropolis. We have a garden out back if you want to enjoy your breakfast in the sun. So welcome to the breakfast area. This is where we make breakfast every morning. It's a hearty breakfast. You can also kind of help yourself. We have a mini bar here where guests can help themselves all day to refreshments. And there's always some coffee on the go for anyone who needs it. This is the kitchen area. This is where guests can come and make their own thing if they like. We're fully stocked, oil, herbs, you name it, all Greek. And if you need some help, we're here to give you a hand. This is the Harry Belafonte suite. This is our flagship apartment. It has a little lounge, it has a double bedroom, kitchenette. This is the private roof terrace of the Harry Belafonte. You get the terrace and you get, of course, a view of the Acropolis itself. This is the Aphrodite suite. This is one of my favorites. It's got loads of natural light, private balcony, marble floors, huge bed, and of course, amenities.